Hey guys, Yash here from Indian Fitness Cult, and this is day 4 of your transformation, and all we are having today is some abs and cardio. So let's get it done.
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the episode number 4 of this transformation series. After 3 days of hardcore workout, it was important for us to take a break. So we did some abs and cardio on the day 4. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर देना and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. अगर चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो फटाफट से चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दो. And if you want to see more such interesting content, follow us on Instagram as well, and don't forget to press that bell icon so you never miss a workout video.
Yeah, I've been in and out the studio like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone, and you know that I'm ready for the shows.